In this video, I'll be going to show you how to sign out of Apple ID without password. The method we'll be using is very simple and will be clearly described in this video. Subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your digital problems. If this video helped you out, please like the video and leave a comment down below. To sign out of your Apple ID without needing the password, follow these steps. First, open up your device settings and tap on your Apple ID. Ensure that you are currently logged in with your Apple ID. Next, navigate to the iCloud section, select Photos, and turn off both iCloud Photos and Shared Albums. Go back to the previous screen and tap on iCloud Backup, then disable it. Return to the main settings page, scroll down, and you will find the option to sign out. Click on it and make sure to turn off all the provided options. Confirm the sign out by clicking on Sign Out again in the top right corner of your iPhone. The system will request confirmation and may take a moment to remove your iCloud data from the device. Confirm once more and you will successfully sign out of your Apple ID without requiring a password. After a few seconds, you will notice that you have been signed out, allowing you to sign in again with the same or a different Apple ID on your iPhone. So that's pretty much it. That was how to sign out of Apple ID without password. I hope that I got to help you out with this video, and please do not forget to give this video a like and leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.